Is it the right time to buy or sell ZIM Shipping stock? In this video, we will be delving into a comprehensive analysis of ZIM Shipping. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024. Today, we are excited to provide you with an even more detailed examination. To ensure you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments, remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Staying up to date is essential. Elevate your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for 25,000 companies worldwide. It's important to note that this video is solely for informational purposes and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 2, 2024, our system has identified ZIM Shipping as a strong buy candidate, receiving a score of 7.50. Now let's delve into the performance of this stock during that period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 21.63% since we first listed ZIM Shipping as a buy candidate just 3 days ago. That's an average return of 7.21% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 8.41% change expected in the next 3 months. However, the return could range from -44.12% to 8.41%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant -58.53% change over the next year. This means the potential return could be between -84.69% and -66.23%. In other words, the price range after a year could be anywhere from $2.08 to $4.60. Here's the latest update for ZIM Shipping. High volatility in ZIM Shipping stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $13.61. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 4, 2024, the ZIM Shipping stock price increased by 11.01%, going from $12.26 to $13.61. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It'll be interesting to see if the stock continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 11.65%, reaching a low of $12.36 and a high of $13.80. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 41.04%, showing a positive trend. Volume also increased on the last trading day, with 4 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, approximately 19 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $253.74 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $25.12, while the lowest price was $6.39. Currently, the stock is trading 45.82% below its 52-week high, which is a decrease of $11.51. It's also 85.08% below the all-time high, which occurred on March 17, 2022, when the stock reached $91.23. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Jefferies gave ZIM a hold grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, September 27, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave ZIM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, June 27, 2023, Jefferies gave ZIM a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, May 23, 2023, Barclays gave ZIM an underweight grade with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, May 23, 2023, Jefferies gave ZIM a hold grade with a hold action. Analysts have given ZIM Shipping stock a general buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as neutral. As for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for ZIM Shipping. Let's take a look at the chart. It's mostly positive today. The ZIM Shipping stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive sign for the stock's future. Additionally, there's a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a correction and goes down, it will find support at $11.01 and $8.54. However, if it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 106.53%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicating a positive technical signal. In addition to that, the volume is rising along with the price, which further confirms the positive outlook. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, there was a buy signal 26 days ago. Bollinger, there was a buy signal 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, there was a buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, there was a buy signal 18 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average had a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average had a buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 175 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for ZIM Shipping. When it comes to support levels, ZIM Shipping has some important ones just below today's level. The accumulated volume shows support at $12.26 and $11.58. Support levels are crucial because if they are broken, the stock may fall to the next level of support. In this case, if the support at $12.26 is broken, then the next support level will be at $11.58 and $10.25. It's important to note that ZIM Shipping is considered very high risk due to its high volatility. This means that the stock can experience significant movement during the day. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. Looking at the recent data, we can see that in the last day, the stock had a price range of $1.44 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 11.65% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.78%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for ZIM Shipping, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to have periods of decline, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on March 11, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at -$1.39. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for ZIM Shipping. We can see that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to make swift upward moves. If the right conditions align, it could be a great opportunity to enter a position. Pay attention to the volume to determine the right time to exit. On the downside, ZIM Shipping encounters its first support level at $12.26. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, as we anticipate a potential rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $13.15, which represents a decrease of 3.38%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn brings about a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 81, further amplifying the risk involved. Additionally, a buy signal was detected 25 days ago in the form of a pivot bottom. Is ZIM Shipping stock a good buy? When considering ZIM Shipping, there are several positive signals indicating a promising outlook. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Currently, ZIM Shipping is within a weak rising trend, making it a favorable choice at these current levels. We anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, January 5th, we expect ZIM Shipping to open with a decrease of $0.353, starting at $13.26. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for investment guidance. By using the provided information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment choices. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your opinions in the comments below. Additionally, we'd love to know what your target for the stock is. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.